At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an education consulting business can be an exciting venture, especially if you're passionate about helping students, educators, or educational institutions. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research the market. Understand the demand for education consulting services in your area or niche. Identify your target market, whether it's students preparing for exams, parents seeking educational guidance, schools needing curriculum development, or other educational institutions requiring specialized assistance. 2. Define your services. Determine the specific services you'll offer. This could include academic tutoring, college admissions counseling, curriculum development, teacher training, educational technology consulting, or other areas based on your expertise. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will guide your decisions and help secure funding if needed. 4. Legal considerations. Choose a legal structure for your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and register your business name with the appropriate government authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your area. 5. Set up your office. Establish a professional workspace, whether it's a home office, co-working space, or leased office. Ensure you have the necessary equipment and resources to deliver your services effectively. 6. Develop your brand. Create a strong brand identity, including a memorable business name, logo, website, and marketing materials. Your brand should reflect your expertise, values, and the benefits you offer to clients. 7. Build your network. Network with educators, schools, parents, and other professionals in the education industry. Attend relevant events, join professional associations, and connect with potential clients through social media and online forums. 8. Market your services. Develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience. This may include online marketing, website, social media, email campaigns, offline marketing, flyers, brochures, networking events, and partnerships with schools or educational organizations. 9. Offer valuable content. Establish yourself as an authority in your field by sharing valuable content through blog posts, articles, webinars, or workshops. This will help attract potential clients and demonstrate your expertise. 10. Provide excellent service. Deliver high-quality services and excellent customer service to build trust and credibility with your clients. Word-of-mouth referrals and positive reviews can be powerful tools for growing your business. 11. Stay updated. Continuously educate yourself about the latest trends, developments, and best practices in education. This will enable you to offer innovative solutions and stay ahead of the competition. 12. Evaluate and adapt. Regularly review your business performance, solicit feedback from clients, and adapt your strategies as needed to meet changing market demands and client needs. Starting an education consulting business requires dedication, expertise, and a passion for helping others succeed. By following these steps and staying committed to providing value to your clients, you can build a successful and rewarding business in the education industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.